drive.
Yeah, the giant boat.
And it's going really fast, and there's other ships over there.
Yeah, okay.
And we're on the boat, so I got this Mickey Mouse.
Yep. And then what are you gonna go do right now?
I am going to go to like a kids club thing.
Yeah, how cool is that? Are parents allowed?
No. No.
Mom over there chilling on the bed.
Yeah. Tell this me. What? It's my birthday tomorrow. Anyways, I'll just keep munching.
What are you doing?
I've seen Spider-Man.
Hey everybody, have you guys seen any bad guys around the ship? If you guys see any though, you let me or my friends dressed like this know, we'll take care of it, okay?
Okay.
Awesome. Okay, let's come in for a picture.
I'm gonna go and meet the princesses.
Yeah, and what is today?
My birthday.
How old are you?
6.
All right. What was that?
Great! I got to see all of the princesses. Ariel, Cinderella, Tiana, Belle. So many. Happy birthday, because I
Okay, just out of the shower, gonna go pick up my son. We are gonna go see Captain Marvel, the premiere on a Disney ship. How cool is that? Let's do this. All right, buddy, what do we go do?
We just went to go see Captain Marvel.
Yeah, how was it?
It was really good.
Okay, I agree. It's one of the better movies I've seen.
Yeah.
All right, what should we go do right now?
Let's go to the basketball court.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
So, Preston, how many slices of pizza do you think you've had this week?
13.
13 slices of pizza?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. And then what's up behind us?
A big ice cream station.
Ice cream station. You think that's the most popular thing here on the boat?
It's one of them.
Yeah.
Just before this, there was like a line of 50 people. It was very crazy.
Oh, it's so good.
We already ate half of it and spilled a little bit too.
It happens. Where are you going right now?
We are sailing away to the resort, and we're in another state for Mexico. So obviously that's what we're doing. We're almost to Mexico.
All right, we are in Cabo San Lucas, ready to have some fun with the kids. Let's do this.
Sand will get in your feet.
Oh no, sand is in your feet.
All right, we got us.
All right, what do we find, Mom?
Yeah, here's our 4 spots.
All right, short spot.
Okay.
Okay, what are we doing right now?
We are going to the shore.
Yeah? Should we go have some water fun?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Yeah! How did it go?
It's pretty fun. It's not too cold anymore. Got a little used to it.
Good.
I'm going all the way in. There's our pressure. Oh, cold. Super pretty deep. Whoa. What are those hoops? Pretty cool.
Gracias. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
We're gonna take a boat to get on the ship. All right, let's do it.